radio. And now here's human music.
What's up YouTube, Jack Walker here, and welcome to another video. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. As you probably can read from the title, we have a special day today. Today is the last day of my cut. I've been dieting for 8 weeks, but it hasn't been 8 weeks straight. I did 4 weeks before my trip to LA, and after LA I did another 4 weeks, which is up till today. Together it's been 8 weeks, but I had a 10-day break from my diet when I was in LA because I was in LA and I wanted to experience the city, so I enjoyed myself, didn't track any macros at all. But together it's been 8 weeks and I'm super excited to show you guys the final result. So I'm going to put up the first physique update I did after my bulk. At that time I've been bulking for I think like 8 or 9 months, I think 8 months. Today I did a physique update, so I'm going to show them after each other and you guys can see my 8-week transformation. And I just realized that I'm super yellow in this shot because the light here in this room is super yellow, so I'm sorry about that. It's no special effects at all, it's pretty much just the lighting here. But yeah, today is Wednesday the 8th of May. I'm leaving on Friday, so in 2 days, the 10th of May, I'm going to London to shoot the video shoot. That's what I have been cutting for primarily. I'm going to meet up with a videographer. We're going to shoot some epic content for this channel and I'm just super excited about that. If you've been following me for a couple of months, you already know what it is all about. If not, better go watch some of my previous videos to find out. I'm going to start carving up tomorrow, which is Thursday, just to fill out my body because right now I'm super flat, super depleted, which you're going to see in this video. I have been eating like 100 grams of carbs for the past 2 weeks and no high carb day at all, just low carb days. And yeah, my body really needs some carbs, so I'm going to start tomorrow. This is going to be the last day of cutting. But without further ado, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. And enjoy this 8-week transformation, guys.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town.
It's a beautiful day today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed my transformation video, or my transformation compilation, I should say. I at least hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up. This has definitely been my hardest prep. I've had so much cravings. I always preach a healthy a natural lifestyle, and this is by any means not healthy at all. I'm pretty much starving myself to get to a lower body fat percentage, but right now after this cut I'm going to bump my calories up to maintenance, and I'm going to keep a healthy and lean physique for as long as I feel like. Maybe I'm going to go on a bulk, I'm not sure yet, but that's the plan. I'm not going to cut out cardio either. I'm going to do cardio 3 times a week. Cardio has a lot of health benefits as well. It's not just to look shredded, but it also has a lot of health benefits with the heart, etc, etc. So I'm definitely going to incorporate more cardio into my routine. Right now I'm on my way to the gym. I'm going to hit a chest workout, maybe finish up with some triceps. I'm still on my deload week, so I'm not going to do anything heavy at all. I've gone through everything I do for my deload week as well, so if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on it and hearing how I'm approaching it, just check out some of my previous videos and I talk about it there. Got my pre-workout right here. And before I go to the gym, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. I see that my channel is going amazingly good. It's been growing like crazy lately, getting a lot of new subscribers every day, and I'm just super grateful for it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you taking your time to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and watch my videos, and even comment on my videos. Every single one of you guys, it really means a lot to me, so thank you so much. It motivates me to work even harder. So again, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. My goal for this year was actually to hit 1,000 subscribers on my birthday, or before my birthday, which is the 27th of July. So it's roughly around like 2 months, and we're 200 subscribers away. So share this video, suggest my channel to friends, family. If you enjoy my videos, make sure to spread the channel. It would mean the world to me if you manage to hit 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support.
Yeah, let me take you back to when I was starting out on the come up. I was grinding till the sun up. My neighbors told me to shut up, but they couldn't see the bigger vision. Got no intuition, now my taxes more than their tuition. They see how I'm living and my idols becoming my competition today. I remember I was making under minimum wage. It was part of the story, but now I'm turning the page. And I got bars for days, but can't be locked in the cage. I've been underrated, overlooked like a speed limit. They've been trying to slow me down like I got a speeding ticket. I got demons I keep hitting in the back of my head. I'm not vegan, I keep feeding off the shit that they said. I've been living out my dreams while they stuck in their bed. I've been thinking like a king till the day that I'm dead. I remember when they never would've listened to me, and now I'm everything that they ever been wishing to be. I've been working overtime like every day of the week. I've been studying in school, already got a degree. Trying to make it to a doctor, I've been working on my patience. I'm trying to make a living with multiple occupations. Coming out of the basement on the radio stations. I'm going face to face with all of my contemplations. I feel like God's gift and this is my celebration. I'm trying to lead the way for all the future generations. I don't want them calling on my phone. I've been on my way to the top, no ceiling. They leaving a message at the tone. Trying to get involved, but I really don't need it. I don't want them calling on my line. I know what they wanted and it's not no secret. I'ma tell them that I'm doing fine. Trying to get involved, but I really don't need it. I got old friends slowly turning into enemies. I got people in my life trying to block my energy, and I'm trying to keep my focus surrounded by Hennessy. People drinking every night, trying to fade their memories. I've been working out my mind, staying focused mentally. I've been watering my grass, trying to grow my money tree. Not reacting to the lies, I don't know the chemistry.
What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that workout. It was, to be honest, it was a pretty boring workout since it's deload week. It's pretty boring, so the fact that I can't push myself 100%, because every time I'm in the gym I like to push myself 100%, but I have to kind of step back and don't do that, so pretty boring. But as I came home earlier, I got a package from Whiteware in the mail, and I thought I could conclude this video with doing a little unboxing video. If you didn't know, Riderwear is my sponsor, so if you're interested in buying from Riderwear, you can use my link. I'll put it up on the screen either there or there. Jack W10, you can save 10% off your complete order. So if you're going to buy, you might as well use the code, right? So I could do a little unboxing video. I think this is from their newest collection, Palm Springs, I believe. So what do we have here? We have base long sleeve top, white, medium. This looks pretty clean. And here we have Canyon gym shorts, black, medium. This is for beach. Yeah, the Palm Springs black stringer, also in medium. I order everything in medium if you're interested in that. We have Palm String, yeah, the same stringer as that one, just in tan, so kind of like a beige color. And we have some shoes. So these looks pretty clean. Not sure which shoes these are. Get a closer look. There we go. I can just try everything on real quick. So here we have the Palm Spring T stringer in medium. This is a tan. I don't have a mirror, but I think it looks pretty good. It looks good. Perfect. Get the front. Basically just Riderwear. Try to read this upside down. Take it to the next level, of course. We have the back. I think it says Riderwear, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. Pretty clean. So here we have the exact same stringer as the previous one, just in blue. I really like this blue color. The spring is arriving, the summer is arriving as well, as I said. So I'm definitely going to use this at the beach. Here we have the front. Take it to the next level. Pretty cool. The back. Sorry about the tag. I didn't bother to take it off. Here we have the back as well. Nice little pose. Boom, right there. We try the next item, which is Canyon gym shorts. So this is the beach shorts. So here we have the shorts. Obviously you can use these on leg days to show off your quads, etc, etc. But I'm probably going to use this on the beach because when I have leg days, I like to, for some reason, I like to wear joggers. I don't really use shorts when I'm training legs or anything. I like to do joggers, but I'm definitely going to use this at the beach. Can show off some nice quad action right there. Boom. It's perfect. I really love it. That was the shorts. And the next item is going to be base long sleeve top. So I think this is a stringer, or no, I know what this is. This is a pullover. Right there. That's clean if you ask me. I'm going to try it on right now. Here we have the pullover. I really like it, but since I'm cutting right now and I'm super flat, it's not popping through the muscles, it's not hugging, you know, that feeling. But when I start to bulk again, it will probably be, I will probably be able to fill it out more. But for right now, I probably should have ordered a small for when I'm cutting. As you can see, it's a bit loose, but it don't bother me when I'm starting to add some more calories into my diet. I'm definitely going to be able to fill this out, so super happy about this one. Definitely approved by me. So that is going to conclude this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for all the support lately, guys. I see that my subscriber count is going up by the day, multiple subscribers each day, and I'm so grateful for it, as I mentioned earlier in this video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like this video if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys.